Hello everybody and welcome to this video. So what I want to do here is to show how to use Cheat Engine to have the 3D position of your character. So here what happened is that with C# you can access from a pointer on address memory, you can access information that float. So here with that you will be able to go fetch 4 bytes because float are 4 bytes. Okay, and what we'll do is that in constant we'll go read the memory and then we'll try to access the byte information, convert them to a float and then display it. So here it's just a stupid script that allow you to access the read memory of your PC. But for that we need to have those 3 values. And so I learned yesterday how to do that with Cheat Engine, and I will show you in case you want to create bots for the fun and that you don't want to do color picking, because there is another technique that called color picking, where you just take Wikora and you display a picture of a color, and then you take the coordinate of the character and you display a color over there and you say, okay, what is the color over there? And so like this you can recover the position of your player. But that's another technique. And the problem with color picking is that you are limited to the information that WoW allows us to have with Lua. But with Cheat Engine you will have, for example, a data that you don't have in WoW. It is the Z-axis. So let's show you how I did the other day. So I think it is this one because the other one looked like to be okay. So I do a first scan. Yeah, okay, I'm sorry. So I just select the WoW that I want to scan. Then I say that I want to look for a float. Okay, and here you can say what you're looking for. So we don't know the value, but we can guess a bit value between. For example, for the Z-axis, here we know that we are above the sea, so it will be between less than 10. We don't want the value that will be in the memory of our computer, that is between less than 10 and 1, because it will be all the 0, 0.1, 0.3 and stuff like that. We don't care of that, because what we are looking for, it's a position in the world. So we will be here over 1 because we are on the top here. So we do a first scan. So we will take all the memory over there and check around for value that are not between less than and 1. So it's still a lot of value. So the first time you do a scan, it will take a lot of time. Like this. Okay. Now what we want to do is between less 5 and 5. And we'll just move around and go near the water. Because in WoW, what I learned is that 0 is the water level. So hop, go back in Cheat Engine, and now we say we want all the value that all the address where it is the case over there. Yup, we can do it again just to filter the small one. Okay, so now what we will try to do is try to find the value that are changing. So here I will move and I will say that I have a value that changed. Okay, I move, and I say that I have a value that changed. I move, yep, and I say that I have a value that changed. Okay, now what I will try to do is say, because I know that it will be increasing as I go to the top, so I will go increase value. I move a bit, and next. Okay, I move a bit, and next. You can see that here there is something that look like a value, like 50, 70, something like that. So up, I will make it smaller, like this. Okay. Yep. So here we look like 0, 2, 1. Okay, so we'll go back to the between value, but 0 is I say between value between 3. Ah shit, the stuff is that I have shortcut and I press on the shortcut. We are still here. Yeah, I want it to be between 3 and 20, and I will go over there. Okay, so our height look like to be that. So next, 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 next. And so all the values that are not over there will be flush. So we'll move again. Okay, so apparently all the value you see here are probably some address that are using the address we are looking for. Okay, that is the height. So you can continue to have a better value and be sure that it is the one we want, but we'll say that this one is the one we want. Shit. Undo. Okay, it's not the one we want. It's close to it, but it's not. Okay, another technique you can use is that you can put some shortcut. So here you go in file, then file, setting. Then you go in shortcut somewhere here, and then what you do is that here you say I want the shortcut to say look for value that increase, and you put it on your numpad. Look at value that decrease in numpad, look at value that change, and like this try to have one that you can remember and that will not be disturbing when you're using. So now that I have that, what you will see is that I will be able to move here. I say look for the one that changed, I move a bit, look for the one that go up, look for the one that go up, now I go down, up, look for the one that go down, look for the one that go down, and you can see that we remove already a lot of variable over there. That's still not enough, but yeah. This one feels to look like something that I'm looking for. We'll take this one. So you click on it, it will be add here, and I can call that height. Set like this. You click on it, and you have this little guy coming here. So you take that. Okay. You go in your Visual Studio project. You put the stuff over there. 0x means that it's a decimal, it's an hexadecimal. Okay, and so now if I press play, I should have an error because of those one. We'll see. Like this. I have an error because the other one failed to open process. Yeah. try. Catch. Now for now, okay. Horizontal, try catch. Okay, let's play. Fail to open process. Why? Read memory exit. Process excite. Bytes. Head value égale ça. Process all access. Yeah. Process ID. Ah shit, I forget. Yeah, you also need the process ID, the ID of your application, and you can find that over there. So it's 6EF4. 6EF4. Okay, save. It changes every time. Okay, ta-da! And now when I go here, ta-da! We have the height of our character. Yay! Nice. Okay, so now what we want to have, because we have the height of the character, we want to have the y-axis and the x-axis. So how we'll do that? To try to find why I was going to the water here is because it's easier to go a straight line when you have flat zone. So what we will do here is that we'll go in Cheat Engine like this, and basically now that you have the code over there that you can copy from my screen, and that you know how to access the Z axis, the height axis, basically the rest of the video you don't need to watch it because it's exactly the same stuff I will do. Here it's just moving around, trying to measure a new value. So you still here on the process, you say you want a new scan. Up. You say that you want, you don't know the value yet. The stuff is that you kind of still know, you kind of know the value because it won't be between less 10 and 10. And the stuff is that like that you remove all the useless variable that is between less 1 and 1. So not over there. New scan. Because if you say I don't know the value, it loads everything in the memory, everything, and it takes quite some time. Okay. So every time I forget if this is decrease or this is decrease. So what I will do is I will try in a one way to say that is increasing over there, and if we don't find the variable, I will try the other way. So now that we have the scan of plenty of value that could be or the value you are looking for, I will move over there. Now we say I increase. We wait that he finish scanning. Okay, I move, I say I increase. I increase, I increase, I increase. Now I go in the other way and I say I decrease, I decrease, I decrease. Oh. Undo. I think that I fucked up because those values don't seem to be a value that could be the coordinate of the world. Too big. So what I will try to do is I will restart in the other way. So we'll say that I want a new scan that is not between that. I will try to go on that way, so increase, 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 decrease, decrease, decrease. See if we can find it. So maybe it's me that moved in I click on the wrong timing. So I said that I'm increasing. Sometimes it takes a lot of time to finish. So here he is saying I'm still working, give me some time. Okay, so I move, say that I'm increasing, say that I'm increasing, I'm increasing, increasing, increasing. I go back in the other way, decrease, 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 decrease. Okay, I go back over there, increase, decrease, increase, decrease. Okay, so here we have a lot of value that could be the value we are looking for. And there's still a lot of difference between all of that. Okay, so what I will do is that I will move a bit, say that I change position, then I will stop moving, I say I don't change position, then change position. So here I'm saying that the value should not be changing because I'm jumping here, but it's not moving. It's not moving on the X and the Y. Now I move a bit and I say only the one that changed. Okay, so here we have a value over there that is in the 1000. So does it go up? Yes. Does it go down? Yes. And does it go very slowly down if I go down like this? Kind of, huh? So apparently we found the x-axis, so it was plus over there and less over there. So we'll take that, take this value as the horizontal x value, like this. Now you copy this address up, you go back here, we remove that, remove that, remove that, that, remove that, that, and the horizontal value is over there. This. Save, and let's do the same for the top value. So new, we don't want to be looking for between less than 10, new scan. So I saw a video that explained how to keep in memory those addresses with pointer to be able to find it the next time you're looking for them. So you could do that, but me, what I'm doing is that I'm moving to a place in World of Warcraft that I love to go, like, you know, Birch, Hearthstone stuff. So you use this stuff, and when you use that, you will have an exact ID. And what I do is that when I have the 3 of them, I go over there, I use the exact ID here to be able to find back the address. So it's not the best solution ever, but as I don't know Cheat Engine yet enough, that's how I'm doing it. So let's do what we did. Huh? So we have a new kind of value over there. So I suppose that is plus and that is less. So I will try that, and if it's not, I will inverse. So let's do it. So I'm moving. Okay, so I said I moved. Okay. So now I go a bit forward and I said that I moved on plus. Increase, 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 up, decrease, 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 increase, 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 increase. Now I said that I move, and I don't move, 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 I don't move. And so now moving a bit. Okay, moving down. Okay, so apparently we have the value we are looking for. So I go here, say vertical x, y, like this. And now we copy that. We go here, we put that over there, save, here. So hop, play. And maybe for some clarity, what we'll do is here we'll do that float value. This code will be on Git, on GitHub if you need it. This and what I will do here, so this equal this. And this equal this. This. Okay, and here print value horizontal. Value vertical. Okay, don't seem to work. Console name. Ah, yeah, sorry. It's because it's out of the. No, it should. While true. if value equals that, value equals that, okay. Okay, so hop, hop. So I'm moving, and there is value that did not work. This one, so I suppose it's because I did not use it correctly. So it's why the Y. Save. And ta-da! So now I have the tree value of my character moving around in World of Warcraft. So basically that's how you can have access to the position of your character in World of Warcraft. So now that you have that, you just need to do some code that will manage where am I compared to the game, and then move it, and then try to make some pattern about I want to go there and then go there and then go there. So basically have fun. If you want to do that with like 4 or 5 windows, then you need to do the step for 4 or 5 windows. And as soon as this is closed, you are fucked. So you will have to redo everything. So that's why you need to learn how to use a pointer to be able to say, I want to point at the part of the code of WoW that target to this address. But I don't know how to teach you that because I don't know how to do it yet. But that's very, very useful, because when you know how to do it, you are not obliged to do every time what I did here. You just ask where is the new address, and you have the address. So I will maybe teach you how to do the last part I said about it. So now what you can do, you teleport to a place like the place of the goblin. So I will come here, goblin start zone, Hearthstone. Okay, and the stuff is here. Up, X, Y vertical, and Z height. So you lost your pointer, and you want to easily find back your coordinate. Okay, so what you do, so cheat engine here, I close it. Do you want to save? No. So I lost my data, I start a new game, and I'm like, oh shit, how do I find back those values? So you go here, cheat engine, I did that, yes. Okay, now what you do is that you click here, you say that you want to target the WoW you are playing for the moment, so this one. You say that you are looking for a float value. Here we are looking one that is between, and so you come here and you say 1350 et 1350. 70. So we are looking for this one. So now we just do a first scan for all the value that are between those shit, I click on not. No, it's okay. So here it must be we looking not, because in the other part I was saying not. Here we are looking for those value. So you do the scan, you do the scan, you do the scan, you do the scan. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, now you move a bit. You said that you moved, you moved, you moved, you moved, you don't move, you don't move, you don't move, and ta-da, we have one value over there. So now you can copy one of those address and you have the X address. Now you want this one, that is the height. This one is a fake one, it's not a good one. I think I missed this one because that's not correct. Shit. I did something bad, but I don't know what. Okay, so you said that I want a new scan that is between this and this. So here 0 and here 30, like this. Then you do that you want a new scan. Okay, so it's probably the value you are looking for. So I try to filter some that would be up. I go back here, I move a bit, I say that I moved, I move a bit, I say that I moved, I move a bit, I say that I moved, I moved, so that I'm not moving, not moving, not moving, not moving. We have plenty of value, that's good enough for me. So you can take this value and add it here, and this is the value that we are looking for, and this value seems to be the value, vertical value, so it must be like this, less, a positive, negative. Okay, now for the Z value that I lost it, so basically it will, oh yo, how do you fishing workout? Hey, today I'm not fishing. As you can see, yesterday I learned how to use Cheat Engine to be able to fetch the coordinate of the character. So as you can see here, I'm moving with the goblin over there, and I have the axis here, and as you can see, ta-da! And something that I did wrong is vertical height. Here I failed my value over there, so we'll fetch it back. Dun, 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 dun. But yeah, you understood for the guy who, for the people who were watching until now, because I'm recording, that's how you can fetch those value and have it in Visual Studio to be able to build your own bot. So yeah, hope you liked it, and I will stop the recording here. Have a great day, may the code be with you. See you next time.